Hello. I'm going to try to make a video about using the Cosley calendars on your Outlook. I am actually going to use the app that's on your computer and not the web version of Outlook. And so I guess the first thing is if your Outlook does not look like this, you may want to talk to somebody in the tech department, either Cameron, myself, or Robin or Nicole Hobbs. We are I'm going to show you what it would look like to see the calendar. So this is the Outlook. When I pull up the Outlook, I go down to the screen to Microsoft Outlook. I go down to the dock and I go to Microsoft Outlook and I pull it up. Over on this side, this left-hand side, are the different places I can be within Outlook. It has the email, which is where I'm at, and then there's the calendar section, and then there's also the people section. So the calendar section is here, and this is where you should find your calendar. Your specific calendar will be under My Calendars, and if you receive an invitation from somebody, it will go into your calendar. And then you will also see it could be under other calendars or people's calendars, and you will see something that says Cosley calendar. Now, if you don't have that, you may want to get some help in getting that Cosley calendar added, but I will try to show you some situations on how you could add it yourself. If you see this Cosley calendar and the radial button here is not highlighted, that means you are not viewing the Cosley calendar. So you need to select that radial button, and then you will have your calendar as well as the your Cosley calendar. So that shows all of the different pieces that are on there. When you receive an invitation, it'll come through your email. So I had Robin send me a piece of an invite, and you accept that invitation. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, you accept or you decline. I'm going to go ahead and accept that invitation. So I accepted it. Now, what I will do is when you accept that invitation, it goes on to your calendar. So if you will notice here, Robin Heimberger's invitation to Robin Axolotl discussion was now accepted, and it was put onto my calendar. I'm going to go ahead and if you are the one that's sending the new event or the new appointment, you want to hit new event, and you would type up the event, add the people that is required, do the time frame and the date and everything like that, maybe add a location, and then you can send some information about what is going on during that meeting. And then you would say save. Actually, once I put in Robin Heimberger meal, sorry, Robin Heimberger, and then new event tech. And then once I put in an invite person, I can hit the send button and it will send that invite out. All right, discard invitation. So let me also explain to you what happens when you don't see that you have the Cosley calendar here. I'm going to go to a few screenshots because I already have it, and so it's a little hard on my computer to see what it would look like. So as you can tell in this particular picture, this person, Mrs. Casaza, does not have the group calendar, the Cosley calendar on here. So when that happened, there's next to the people's calendar, there's three little dots. I clicked on the three little dots, and that brings up, and I clicked on open calendar. And when I did that, that brings up a search. And in that search bar, you want to put Cosley calendar. And this is what should show up when you put in Cosley calendar. Then select it and click Open. When you click Open, it should pop up as an option in your calendars now. And then in order to see that calendar, like I said, you have to select that radial button. And then once that happens, all of Cosley's calendar should show up. If you do not have things that look like this, just again, let us know. We can help you out and try to get you back on track. If you use a web version, we're not exactly sure if that looks the same, what I just did today, or not. I do not use the web version, so you might have to do a little bit of searching around and seeing if that will work. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.